our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're gonna start with your quantitative aptitude class. This is your 176 class. We had done your 175 class in the last session, where we had completed your 22th questions in the last sessions here. And so today in that we'll discuss your 23rd question of the session in pipes and cistern, which we had started in the last classes. This is the 16th topic. We had done your 15th topic, and the last topic which we had done is your time in work. And now we'll continue with the same for that is your pipes and cistern. The question 23rd is 12 buckets of water fill a tank when the capacity of each tank is 13.5 liters. How many buckets will be needed to fill the same tank if the capacity of each bucket is 9 liters? The options were 8, 15, 16 and 18. Let's find it out. In the last class we had done many of the competition examinations questions, so you have to go ahead and we'll further discuss many more too. So let's hear 12 buckets of water fill a tank when, so with the same here we go, and with when the capacity of each tank is 13.5 liters, how many buckets will be needed how many buckets will be needed to fill the same tank if the capacity of each bucket is 9 liters. The options, as I told you, 8, 15, 16 and 18. So let's go for the same. So here for the same, that is being 9 liters. The options, as I told you, let's figure out the solution here, and that we have as follows. So capacity of the tank equals to equals to 12 into 13.5 liters, which is equals to 162 liters. Capacity of each bucket equals to 9 liters. Number of buckets needed equals to 162.9, that is your 18. Now for the further one, we will discuss here in the detail about it as well. That is the number of bucket that has been needed is your 18. Now we'll go for the next question, and that has been the another important one, and that is your 24th question of the session. So let's go for the same. The question 24 will be, that is your bucket P has thrice the capacity as bucket Q. It takes 60 tons for bucket P to fill the empty drum. How many tons it will take for both the bucket P and Q, having each turned together to fill the empty drum? The options were we have is 30, 40, 45 and 90. So we'll go for the finding it out the solution here. Bucket P has thrice the capacity as bucket Q. It takes 60 turns for bucket P to fill the empty drum. How many turns it will take for both the bucket P and Q, having each turn together to fill the empty drum. Options were 30, 40, 45 and 90. So now we'll find it out here. Let the capacity of P be X liters, then capacity of Q equals to X by 3 liters. So capacity of the drum equals to 60 x liters. So required number of turns equals to 60x upon x plus x by 3, which is equals to 60x into 3 upon 4x. X being cancelled, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6 and 0. Then again 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2 and 2 5s are 10, 15 3s are. So that will be 45 that we have. Now we have another question that what we'll have to discuss is being the 25th question of the session. So the question is, two pipes A and B can fill a tank in 12 minutes and 15 minutes respectively if both the taps are opened simultaneously and the tap A is closed after 3 minutes. Then how much more money will it take to fill the tank by the tap B? Options were 7 minute 15 seconds, 7 minute 45 seconds, 8 minute 5 seconds, 8 minute 15 seconds. So we go for the C. And 15 minutes respectively. if both the taps are open, simultaneously, and the tap A is closed after 3 minutes, then how much more time will it take to fill the tank by tap B? The options were 7 minute 15 seconds, 7 minute 45 seconds, 8 minute 5 seconds, 8 minute 15 seconds. So we'll go for the same. We'll find it out. That is 25th question of the session. So here we go. Part filled in 3 minutes equals to 3. 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15 equals to 3 into 9 by 60, and that is 9 by 20, because 3 ones are 3 and 3 20s are 60. Remaining part equals to 1 minus 9 by 20 equals to 11 by 20. Part filled by B in 1 minute equals to 1 by 15. So 1 by 15 ratio 11 by 20, 1 ratio x, or x equals to 11 upon 20 into 1 into 15. So 5 3s are 15 and 5 4s are 20. It will come 8 1 by 4. Then minute, which means 8 minute 15 second. Remaining part is filled by B. Remaining part is filled by B in 8 minute 15 second. Now we go for the another one, which has been the another important question that we have as follows. 26th question of the session. The question is, two pipes A and B can fill a tank in 15 and 20 minutes respectively. Both the pipes are open together, but after 4 minutes pipe A is turned off. What is the total time required to fill the tank? This has been asked in the UPSC examination paper, and of course that being an important one. The options were 10 minute 20 second, 11 minute 45 second, 12 minute 30 second, and 14 minute 40 second. So let's find it out the solution for the same. Here we go. Fill a tank in 15 minutes and 20 minutes respectively. Both the pipes are opened. Together, but after 4 minutes pipe A is turned off. What is the total time required? To fill the tank? This has been asked in UPSC examination paper. Let's find out the solution. The options, as I told you once again, and that we have 10 minute 20 second, 11 minute 45 second, 12 minutes 30 second, and 14 minute 40 seconds. So we go for the same. Twenty-sixth question of the session. So that the solution for the same we have part filled in 4 minutes, equals to 4. 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20 equals to 7 by 15. Remaining part equals to 1 minus 7 by 5. 15 equals to 8 by 15. Part filled by B in 1 minute equals to 1 by 20. So 1 by 20 ratio 8 by 15, 1 ratio x, or x equals to 8 by 15 into 1 into 20. That is your 5 3s are 15 and 5 4s are 20. So it will be 10 2 by 3 minute, which is equals to 10 minute 40 second. So the tank will be full in 4 minute plus 10 minute 40 second, which is equals to 14 minute 40 second here. Now we go for the another question that is of course being important one here too. That is the 27th question of the session. So we will go for it. The 27th question we have that we have to discuss here one by one, and that is being the important one of course. So all the questions, as I told you many times, that were the important ones, so you have to focus on the same. So the question here is, two pipes A and B can fill a tank in 15 hours and 20 hours respectively, while a third pipe C can empty the full tank in 25 hours. All the three pipes are opened in the beginning. After 10 hours, C is closed. In how much time will the tank be full? Options were 12 hours, 13 hours, 16 hours, and 18 hours. So let's go for the same. Two pipes A and B can fill a tank in 15 hours and 20 hours respectively, while a third pipe C can empty the full tank in 25 hours. All the three pipes are opened in the beginning. After 10 hours, C is closed in how much time will the tank be full? Options are 12 hours, 13 hours, 16 hours and 18 hours. So here we go for the same. Part filled in 10 hours. Equals to 10. 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20 minus 1 by 25, which is equals to 23 by 30. Remaining part, one minus 23 by 30 equals to 7 by 30. A plus B, 1 hour's work equals to 1 upon 15 plus 1 upon 20, which is equals to 7 upon 60. 7 by 60 ratio 7 by 30, 1 ratio x equals to, or x equals to 7 by 30 into 1 into 60 by 7 equals to 2 hours. The tank will be full in 10 plus 2 hours, which is equals to 12 hours. Now we go for the another question, which has been the important one, has been 28th question of the session, that we have as follows. 28th question. A large tanker can be filled by two pipes A and B in 60 seconds and 40 minutes. For 60 minutes and 40 minutes respectively, how many minutes will it take to fill the tank from empty state if B is used for half of the time and A and B fill it together for the other half? Options were 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 27.5 minutes and 30 minutes. This has been asked in the DMRC examination paper. So let's find out the same here. A large tanker can be filled by two pipes A and B in 60 minutes and 40 minutes respectively. How many minutes will it take to fill the tank? Will it take to fill the tanker from empty state? If B is used for half the time and A and B fill it together for the other half. This has been asked in DMRC examination paper. Option is 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 27.5 minutes and 30 minutes. So we'll go for 28th solution of the session here. So here we go. So 28th solution we have. So part filled by A plus B in 1 minute equals to 1 by 60 plus 1 by 40, which is equals to 1 upon 24. Suppose the tank is filled. Suppose the tank is full in X minutes, then X by 2, 1 upon 24 plus 1 upon 40 equals to 1, that is X by 2 into 1 by 15 equals to 1. So X equals to 30 minutes, that we have as an answer. So now we're going to end up with this only, and we'll discuss the rest of the question in the next coming class, and hopefully it is not exceeded, so more than 2 classes we need accordingly, and then we'll surely be ending it up as well. So here for the same we'll discuss that in the next coming class, in the next possible class that we have is your 177th class of the session, and we'll discuss the 29th question of the session in that class. But that is the important one, of course, so we go for it. And so before ending it up, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go ahead with like, share and subscribe, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and everything you can also enjoy the video as well. Other than that, we are dealing with the chemistry for class 11. Part 1 we had done, part 2 we are dealing, physics part 1 we are dealing for class 11 NCERT. We had done your reasoning, that is verbal reasoning, and the non-verbal reasoning. We are dealing with the DBMS, we are dealing with your many more subjects. And in terms of quantitative aptitude, yes, we had started with the arithmetical ability, that is numbers, operations on numbers, SCF and LCF of numbers, decimal fractions, simplification, square roots and cube roots, problems on numbers, problems on age, asserts and indices, percentage, profit and loss, ratio and proportion, partnership, chain rule, time and work, pipe and cistern, time and distance, problems on train, boards on streams, allegations or mixture, simple interest, compound interest, logarithm, area, volume and surface area, races and games of skills, calendar, clocks, stocks and shares, permutations and combination, probability, to discount, bankers discount, height and distance, odd and out series, and data interpretation. We have to cover up the tabulations, bar graph, pie charts and line graph. Here we're gonna end up with thank you. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion in the comment box. Thank you.